Hi, Tech Coach Gina here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sales page in Divi more mobile friendly. So here, I just wanted to point out that what I use for my website is called WordPress. I am a tech coach in Christina Hill's website creation workshops, and I've been doing that for about the last 4 years, and I love the results that her students get. So even though people do hire me to work on their websites, I really believe in the results that people get. So if you join the website creation workshop from my link, which is right here, then you can watch the replay here of the free WordPress training and find out a little bit more about the workshop. At this point, you can get a easy pay plan, so a payment plan that's only $197 a month. You can pay in full or do a 4-payment plan, which is good too. So if you join before the end of the special bonus time, I will give you some really special bonuses. So let me show you what the bonuses are. And even though this having people get their own websites done by themselves takes a little bit of business from me, I really don't mind that because I love having control of my own website, and as a business owner that really gives me a competitive edge because I'm not waiting for a website designer or somebody with technical expertise to do something for me. So let me get up the bonuses. Okay, so the first bonus is 3 live implementation done for you hours with me, and that's a $296 value. And what we do is schedule a Zoom session, and whatever you need done, I'll go ahead and do it for you and give you the replay so that you have the documentation of how to follow the steps yourself. The next bonus that I'm offering is my brand new course, which is WooCommerce Made Easy. It's $497, and it normally sells for that. It will come with 3 group sessions. So you'll actually get 6 total implementation sessions. And what I do during those group sessions is a little bit of mindset work plus implementation. The next bonus that I have is a spot in my most popular course, which is Effortless Launch Formula. This is all about launching your online products or services, and this is my most popular course. I've been teaching this for several years, so people get good results from this course. And then the 4th bonus is a spot in Teach Online from your own WordPress website. This one is geared for WordPress users, and Lifter LMS is a learning management system that I use personally on my website, and it is one of the most affordable yet versatile online platforms that I've seen. And then the last bonus is Master the Launch, which is all about getting affiliate links to your joint venture partners so that they can promote you and your business. Now let's go over Divi. Now Divi is what I use on my WordPress website. And out of the box, the Divi templates are mobile friendly. However, the more you customize them, the more likely you'll need to make some custom changes to make them more mobile friendly. So let me go here and edit the page. I'm already logged in as an admin, and you'll need admin editor rights in order to make these changes. Okay, so this is the front end of the sales page, and this is the back end. So I wrote to Divi support And when I saw that one of the images was sort of cut off on mobile, I asked them what I could do to make this more mobile friendly. So they wrote back to me and they said, go back to the Divi builder and go to the text settings. So I'm going to guess that it's this text. And so here's the text module, and then I'm going to go to design, and let's just expand this out a little bit bigger. Okay, so I'm going to go down to sizing and spacing. So spacing, we have the ability to do margin. So I'm going to, in the margin area right here, I'm going to click on this little mobile icon, and that is settings for mobile. We're going to select mobile, so we have desktop, tablet, and phone. So I'm going to go all the way to phone, and in the top margin, right now it's blank, but I'm going to put in 0, which is 0 pixels. And I'm going to save this. Now that saves it right in here, but I'm also going to scroll to the update button, and that will save the changes. Now there is a way to kind of simulate the mobile friendliness by changing the window size. So you can kind of pull, and you can see that the image is viewable as the screen gets smaller. And the best way to really check is just to go to this link on your phone and see if it looks better. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the next tech video. And if you join the website creation workshop before this Wednesday, September 28th, then I'll add in another bonus, which is unlimited tech coaching support with me for 6 months. So you can email me however many times you want, and I will reply to you via email or with a demo video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments what other tech demos you'd like to see. Have a great day.